Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about one of my favorite shows from Netflix, Dark. I will try to avoid major spoilers but will be touching up on some minor plot points. Dark is a German science fiction thriller based on time travel. It is a remarkable series that is binge worthy and engaging. When two children go missing in a small German town, its sinful past is exposed along with the double lives and fractured relationships that exist among four families as they search for the kids. The mystery drama series introduces an intricate puzzle filled with twists that include a web of curious characters, all of whom have a connection to town's troubled history, whether they know it or not. Dark offers a compelling premise. It's set in a fictional German town of Winden in the present day, at least for the first few episodes. The town might seem sleepy, but it has much more nuance to it. The town has a history of unexplained occurrences which are almost always connected to a mysterious cave in the woods. When a local boy named Mikkel goes missing near the cave, things start to stir up in the town and slowly starts unveiling the bad blood between the families. There's no one specific protagonist for the show, but we are usually following Jonas, a high school boy who is coming to terms with his father's recent demise. While many people don't focus on the soundtrack of TV shows as compared to movies, the score of the show creates an atmospheric, tense, and dark presence and adds to the immersiveness of the show. The music is effectively used to convey the tension or the emotion of a scene. And all the credit goes to Australian producer Ben Frost. While Stranger Things uses high contrast colors and neon environments for its 80s settings, Dark uses bleak colors from reserve color palettes to showcase a more real world setting. The world is dimly lit, but the cinematography is beautiful. It makes you feel that anything could happen at any time. While some of the recent shows out there have had varying opinions, Dark has been loved by critics and audience alike. The first season of the show received an amazing 88% on Rotten Tomatoes, and then the second and the third just took it to another level. We've all grown up watching these movies and shows that have used time travels in various ways to derive something from it or to reach a conclusion. Most of the times, there were obvious plot points or questions left in the dark, which led to online debates on the internet. Dark, however, has a solid logic. Dark establishes time travel early on and uses it to perfection. Some people might get confused with trying to keep up with it, but if you take a step back and take a closer look at the bigger picture, everything makes sense and it all lines up. The show has a really great cast. All the characters in the show have their own arcs and enough time is spent on building their personalities. The lead roles by Lewis Hoffman and Lisa Vicari, who play Jonas Carnwald and Martha Nielsen, delivered brilliant performances. I can't get more into the characters of the show because that will spoil anything, but I'd say that the casting director did a fantastic job. In fact, the casting director of the show deserves all the medals, and you'll find out why once you watch it. Dark establishes crucial relationships and takes its time developing it, even if it feels a little slow in the start. Once the show starts to pick up the pace, you'll be glad it's not moving any faster. Sometimes you'd even have to rewind and go back and watch it again just to keep up. Dark is masterfully planned out and impeccably executed. Every season ups the ante and takes the stakes to another level. The show has become one of my favorite shows of all time, hands down. The show has a great premise, amazing script, and a very well planned out story. Time travel is executed flawlessly and doesn't leave any stone unturned. Although very intricate, it takes its time to explain these concepts to us viewers as well, so anyone would be able to follow it. The show is written in such a way that keeps you engaged and intrigued throughout. It has enough twists and turns that leave you wanting more. I would highly recommend for you to watch the show, especially if you love watching thriller, sci-fi, and just stories related on time travel basically. If you've already watched it, let me know down in the comments. about your opinions of it. No spoilers, of course. And if you haven't watched it and you were waiting for someone to recommend it to you, there you go.